Welcome to another tutorial video made simple and easy for you. If you're wondering how to resize an image in Photopea, don't worry, I've got you covered. This video is a step-by-step tutorial, so if you follow along, you'll learn how to resize your images in Photopea by the end. Now, resizing an image might seem a bit confusing, especially if you're used to other image editing tools. But in reality, it's not that complicated. You just need to know where to find the resizing options. In Photopea, these options are not automatically displayed, but it's easy to enable them. All you have to do is go to the top section of the interface where it says Transform Controls. There, you'll see a checkbox. Just check this box, and you'll notice that now you have the option to drag the image to make it bigger or smaller, just like you would in any other image editing software. So, to sum it up, resizing images in Photo is as simple as enabling the Transform Controls option, and then using the intuitive drag and resize functionality. Give it a try, and you'll be resizing images in Photo like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful then, please make sure to like it and subscribe for more simple and easy tutorial videos.